everyone, how are you guys feeling today? Are you guys feeling good? I'm also feeling good. So today we are going to read a story about Dave the dog is worried about coronavirus. You know, nowadays people are getting sick from the coronavirus, and we can see that Dave the dog is also worried about this. But let's see, what can we learn from reading this book? There was once an owl called Dotty, a nurse with a uniform all sporty. Hi, Nurse Dotty. That's a nice uniform you have there. She worked in the hospital up the hill, looking after all the children who are ill. Near to Dotty, there lives a dog called Dave, who every morning gives Nurse Dotty a wave. Hi, Nurse Dotty. But this morning, Dave doesn't have his normal big grin because there is something really worrying him. There has been talk about coronavirus everywhere, and hearing about it is giving Dave a big scare. Oh no, I'm also scared, Dave. It is on the TV, at home, and school every day. Dave is worried that everything won't be okay. Dave is anxious, and Nurse Dotty can see that. So she decides to stop for a chat. Oh, that's so kind of you, Nurse Dotty. There is lots of different and scary things being said. So Nurse Dotty wants to make sure Dave knows the truth instead. Nurse Dotty tells Dave that coronavirus is an illness that some people will get, but that most people will not get really poorly from it. Oh, for most, it is like a cold or flu they might get when it's colder. But we should be careful to protect ourselves and those who are unwell or older. Dave asked if it's true that someone has it if they're coughing a lot. Nurse Dotty says coughing is a symptom, but it might not be coronavirus they have got. With coronavirus, they may get a fever and be a bit short of breath too. But these things are also symptoms of a cold or flu. Now I'm confused. So, what do I need to do, Nurse Dotty? Nurse Dotty said washing his hands is the most important thing Dave should do. It should be for at least 20 seconds, or singing happy birthday twice through. Oh, while I'm washing my hands with soap, I need to rub it at least for 20 seconds, or just sing happy birthday 2 times. Oh, that's easy. I think we can all do it. Let us count until 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now I can rinse my hands. Or just sing happy birthday 2 times. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This will help to stop him from getting coronavirus himself, and it's a way that Dave can help to protect everybody else. Oh, that's good to know. To be safe, if Dave gets poorly, he will have to stay at home. But his family will stay with him, so he will not be alone. Yeah, I will just stay at home with my family. If he's been near others who are poorly, then he will stay home then too. There will be plenty of food, lots of games and things to do, like coloring, making rainbows, or doing my homework, or just play cards in my home. Many things have been cancelled and they will not be able to go on holiday. Also, he might not see people he normally does at home. They may need to stay. Oh, Dave cannot celebrate his birthday or go on a holiday. He might also not get to see his friends, but they can always call each other and video chat. Some schools and shops have also closed to stop lots of people being all together. But just for now, to keep people safe, it will not be forever. Dave has a grandma. Aww, and he knows she is a little bit old. He is worried because coronavirus is more dangerous for her, he has been told. Nurse Dottie says that it may make her more poorly than it would him or his sister, but that is why she will stay at home and they will take what she needs to her. Yeah, Grandma doesn't need to go out. Dave and his sister can just take whatever Grandma needs to her. At least they can just say hi to each other. If he gets coronavirus, Dave asks, will he need to visit Nurse Dottie at the hospital? Nurse Dottie explains that no, that's not the case at all. Dave doesn't need to see Nurse Dottie at the hospital if he gets coronavirus. What Dave should do if he gets coronavirus? If he is poorly, then home is the best place for him to stay. Unless he needs some help. Only then would to hospital he make his way. Oh, if he gets coronavirus and he's just sick with the flu, he doesn't need to go to the hospital and just stay at home. But if he gets really sick and needs some help, then he will have to go to the hospital. Nurse Dottie explains that on TV and everywhere, people will say lots of things, but no matter what Dave hears, we are ready for what coronavirus brings. To keep everyone safe is the reason that there are all these plans. All Dave needs to do is stay calm and remember to wash his hands. Now Dave knows the truth. He is no longer scared. He knows what to do to keep himself prepared. He knows to keep washing his hands, and if poorly at home, he has to stay. But most of all, now he knows he is going to be okay. The end. Wow, that was a very great story. Dave was very worried at the beginning about coronavirus, and then Nurse Dottie came to the rescue. She tells everything Dave needs to prepare for the coronavirus and what to do in case he gets coronavirus. I hope you guys learned a lot from this story. Later, you can wonder, what should you do to prepare for the coronavirus? Dave already know. Nurse Dottie already tell him everything. Can you tell me back what should you prepare for the coronavirus? Alright, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.